Everybody, how y'all doing today? I am doing wonderful. I am in Harrisburg, Virginia, where I'll be eating at Joe's Graddle and Grill. So let's get started. I will be showing y'all the environment of the place, how the service is, the food, how it looks, and how it tastes. And then at the end of the video, I will give y'all about like 4 customer reviews that are not mine on Google and Yelp, and my own review at the end. So let's get started. I am hungry. Thank you for tuning in. I don't know what to order. They don't have a really good stuff here. Not a lot. Burger, patty melt, tuna melt. Tuna melt? Open face roast beef sandwich. Joe pulled pork. Club sandwich. Classic BLT. Steak and cheese. Grilled chicken or steak wrap. Grilled cheese with bacon or ham. Roast beef dinner, liver in the oil. Breakfast menu. Alright, I have my sandwich. Let's look at it.
This white gravy becomes all that stuff. It's okay. Alright, French fry gravy, not mashed potatoes.
So this is how it looks. Ooh, shit. The fries. The bun looks old and dry. Like very, very old and dry. Very, very crispy.
Saturday, that's what was on it, and there was nobody there. You know, they just call, tell earlier.
Looked like it was microwaved. Like it was microwaved. Looks like sloppy Joe a little bit. Let's see how it tastes. They gave you some barbecue. Oh no, that's ketchup. Right? Is this ketchup or barbecue?
It's ketchup here. It has some barbecue on it. Do you need more extra barbecue? I'll bring it out to you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you some barbecue.
She's bringing me extra barbecue. That was ketchup. So let's see how it tastes. Let's taste the fries. The fries are good and seasoned. Not a lot of salt. Very crispy. Don't taste soggy. Don't taste like straight up oil. The fries are good. Okay. Bottom bun is not soggy. Thank God. It's hardened. Smells okay. Yeah, pray for me.
Well, the problem is, right is, yeah.
But I tasted more bread. Hold on. Cut off the ends. Thank you.
You're welcome, dear.
It tastes alright. It's hot. If they had it on a different bun, it'll taste a whole lot better. Let's see how the meat tastes by itself.
And there you are, like you said, you can run around scale, you know, all the time. Oh, yeah.
It's seasoned. You can taste the spice in it. You can taste the barbecue. But you can tell that It wasn't made fresh.
Yeah, I spent big money, but it's still.
What's back here? If you drive by, it's not going every week back there, not going.
Which I understand barbecue.
What's that? Change no cereal?
They do use
Yeah, this is a problem, not yours though.
twice.
Well, if you own the truck, it's gonna be your fault. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I asked.
And then they cook it
And he
like
didn't do it.
I say yesterday, and then reuse again today, and throw it out
Too much paperwork.
at a certain time.
File for that. That's what I say. Some other boys are gonna find out, but I had a buddy who
But
thought, well,
it's good. It's just
maybe in that 72 hours, he wasn't running on all.
the bun part is not my
He
favorite.
put him in his truck now. Find the driver for $5,000 and find him 10.
The bun is not my favorite.
Now, there ain't too many
Now let's try
drivers.
with
There ain't too many
just the
drivers
bottom
who
bun
love that.
and barbecue sauce.
That's that Jimmy Brinker from over in Rome. He drive. I think drive good. Indeed, that's what he called me. But he asked me, he said, you get yours in? I said, yeah, I put mine in back a piece over. Yep.
Barbecue sauce is tangy. It got a kick to it. It's not your store-bought barbecue sauce. They got a barbecue sauce that they're using. They don't want to share. Barbecue sauce is good. So,
That one don't have alcohol.
That's why I understand they're going to use that. So he can give the certification plate.
I'm going to finish eating and then tell y'all my review later on in the day. Later on in the day. Right after I finish. What's wrong with me? So, as I'm eating, this is the bottom bread.
My brother there years.
It's,
He told me that.
I don't know if they grilled the bottom bread with butter or if that's just the oil from the pulled pork. Because the top bun is like that also. I don't know. Because they did grill or toast the bun because the edges.
On there. Guy went with him one trip, went to Jersey and back. Looked down there at the garden, got a turn 68.
This is how much I got left of
Couldn't do nothing.
the pulled pork.
And he said, well, what do I do?
This much. So you could tell I didn't eat much.
They passed the scales and said it wasn't 3/4 mile copper.
It looks like it been microwaved.
Show grease it off the back. Back when they got out, I got out of the truck, walked back to the
You could
car,
taste
went into the store.
that it's not all the way fresh, that it's been microwaved from yesterday. Because it don't taste like it's been days old. So, I'm done with that. I'm just going to continue on the fries. And my hands should not be that greasy once we got to the chicken. All this grease. It's not the sauce, because I ain't put it on there. That's grease. It's like the juices from the pulled pork. If you're gonna reheat it on the stove or in the oven, not in the microwave. That's how you do it. As I am back in my truck, and let's talk about what I experienced. But before I talk about what I experienced, let's get into 2 reviews, a bad review and a good review. So let's go to Google and let's get these reviews on, okay? A good review. Who can I pick? Okay, amazing food and wonderful staff. My steak and cheese was picture perfect and flavor was perfect. Okay, Miss Wanda, you like it. You like it, boo-boo. She loves the food. Okay, let's go to a bad review, y'all. Who says it's service is horrible, and in this place, been here twice. I sat down the last time for 20 minutes. No service. I walked away from this place. I won't come back. And that is Mr. Lewis. He said the service was horrible, honey. Horrible. Well, let's get into how I feel. The service, my waitress, was pretty cool. She is very, very nice and humbled. She didn't get overwhelmed from all the people coming in, even though she was the only server. She's very nice to her co-workers and everything else. Very, very good lady. Okay? Customer service on my behalf is very, very good. Perfect. I give her 5 stars. So, this next segment of this is the food, honey. It's the food. Y'all see me picking through it? Y'all see me. And honey, you need to cut off your damn dreads. But I'm sorry. Most people look good and most people look like you look better with a fade. But anyway, I'm moving off topic. So the food, the fries, let me start out with the good part. The sweet tea was good, not too sweet, not too unsweet. It was good. It was good. The sweet tea was good. Now the fries was perfect. That's the only thing that I have loved, honey, was the fries. The fries were amazing. Like perfectly seasoned, not a lot of salt, wasn't soggy, didn't feel like it was like drenched in a whole bunch of grease and stayed there for like a couple of minutes or hours. It was perfect. Very, very crispy. I like that. Now let's get on to the sandwich. Child, that sandwich was horrible. Okay, I know restaurants have to cook their meat either a day before or in the beginning of the day. But if you cooked it a day before or in the beginning of the day and you kind of like cool it off or chill it a little bit, when you reheat pork, you do not reheat it in the microwave. I can taste it. Even though it still had the season, I give them that. It was perfectly seasoned the day before or early that morning. But I can taste that it's been in the microwave to reheat. To me, my personal opinion, you do not reheat it in the microwave, honey. You reheat it either in the oven or on the stove or on the skillet. When it comes to, why are you rubbing your boobie on I'm sorry, pulled pork? Like this guy is rubbing his boobs. He's like real talk. But anyway, let me get back to the food. You heat it those 2 ways, oven or stove, not microwave. I can taste that it be microwave. And plus, you know how you reheat pork and stuff, and like you take the pork out of the bowl or the plate and you got all that daggone dripping grease. That's what the hell I had on that bun. It wasn't sauce, no, it was dripping grease, and the sauce was like really, really dried into the meat. That's how you could tell that it's been microwaved. I microwaved a lot of damn pork. I know how it's been tasting microwavable. when you put it in the oven or the skillet, it traps that flavor in real good and tastes like it been taken off the grill, and it tastes a lot more better. The seasons will actually pop more. Okay, you get what I'm saying? Okay, thank you. So it was just horrible. The buns was all the way horrible. Dried out. It didn't taste right. It was too daggone thick. I sure didn't like it. And if you're gonna do pulled pork, put either some onions to it. Not coleslaw. Everybody don't do coleslaw, but do some like onions or some pickles, something. Not just pulled pork in the bun with some coleslaw. I told her not to give me coleslaw because I don't like coleslaw, but give me some onions, something, girl. They should put that in the description. Use some onions. It needed something else to kick it right off, and some more barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce was on point though. But instead of doing stars, guys, my ratings would be trucks. So out of 5 trucks, I give it a 3. Taking 2 points because of the food. I'm giving you 3 because the service was perfect. The layout of the diner was good. Just the whole environment was great. So I'll see y'all later on the next Trucking-N-Dine, and y'all be safe. Bye.